yoga pose of the week, the bow draw pose. For quite some time, I completely forgot about this pose and just recently started integrating it into my morning flow. And immediately I remembered why I love this pose so much. When you hit that sweet spot of balance and focus, you feel strong, empowered, and warrior-like. The trick is to press the raised foot into your hand. You then will feel this powerful synergy between the front and the back of your body. It's quite fascinating. I love this pose. What it does, its benefits, is that it supports the thyroid, stretches the hamstrings, calves, and quads. It will tone the hips and expand the chest. And this is perfect to do if you have a broken heart over a failed relationship, because it opens up the heart, but yet it brings you back to your empowerment at the same time. And most importantly, it will assist in balance, concentration, flexibility, and it also helps with digestion. So again, if you're feeling defeated, just getting out of a relationship or just got out of an argument and just feeling inferior, then I highly recommend to give this pose a try. And I want to say in conclusion, have fun with it. You might fall over a couple of times, but don't take yourself too serious. Just have a good time with it, okay? Alrighty, everybody. I hope that you find some value on this, and we will see you next week. Peace.